As populations rise, municipalities face increased demands on resources. More people mean more litter, and more vehicles create more pollution. With resident expectations for cleaner streets and lower taxes, our customers need the most productive sweepers, offering the lowest cost of ownership and lowest environmental impact. To help our customers meet these demands, Johnston has developed the C202 compact sweeper. It has evolved from over 30 years of customer feedback to help you do more at lower cost. The compact design allows the C202 to access areas other sweepers can't reach, and every element of the C202 is designed to maximise operator efficiency and minimise fatigue. Getting more productivity from your sweeper requires a large hopper capacity, low water usage, low fuel consumption, and better manoeuvrability, and the C202 delivers. Johnston sees the operator as the most important part of the sweeper, and so everything about the C202 has been designed with the operator in mind. The spacious walk-through cab provides the ideal operator environment. The operator seat has full suspension, and both seats have red 3-point seat belts for improved safety and comfort. The steering column is adjustable for both rake and height. The adjustable centre control arm is ergonomically positioned for ease of use with all sweeper functions. Easy to engage options and excellent driver comfort. Easy access to the sweeper maintenance combined with high performance. The full vision cab with quick clear windscreen offers superb vision to the front, sides and floor. The central floor screen is removable for easy cleaning and features a work light to allow the operator to see the nozzle box at night. And it's quiet, with very low noise levels at the driver's ear. The cab also provides the operator with a cup holder, coat hooks and 12-volt charging point, and the Bluetooth-enabled radio provides hands-free communication. All the controls and switches are positioned within easy reach, with no need to twist or turn, keeping the driver's eye on the job ahead. For additional comfort, the cab is supplied with armrests to both cab doors and comes as standard with a heater. Air conditioning and climate control are also available. Glide 2 suspension, a coil-over dampener spring on each wheel, together with the new full-width front axle and anti-roll bar, give an automotive feel when transiting. And it's available in 2 speeds. The CN202 with up to 40 km/h transit speed, and the CX202 which travels up to 50 km/h. In a busy urban setting, the C202 is taken for granted by the public as an environmental benefit to their living space. It's comforting to know the C202 can deliver a productive service with a minimal impact to the environment. 3 engine options are available, from the latest on-road Euro classification for ultra-flow emission zones to off-highway engine standards for other areas. And all Johnston sweepers can be used with 100% HVO non-fossil fuel, offering up to 90% less CO2 and 70% less NOx gases than diesel. The C202 features a hydrostatic drive and braking. The sweeper will decelerate automatically to a stop when the driver reduces the throttle. It also allows the operator to switch seamlessly from transit to work mode and back with no risk of transmission damage. For braking performance, the C202 is equipped with disc and drum brakes to ensure an efficient straight-line stop. It offers the smallest turning circle in its class, allowing access to areas other sweepers can't reach. The forward-facing brush gear, ideal for urban sweeping, offers compact dimensions and easy operations. Dust is suppressed by atomizer jets, reducing water consumption. and manual water taps can be fitted to extend water further by closing off one side. The forward-facing brushes sweep a 2.5 metre width and can reach out beyond the cab to drag material from under benches and around street furniture or around parked cars. The brushes can be adjusted for speed, reach, height and pressure, allowing lower brush wear for daily sweeping or the ability to remove debris from heavily soiled areas. Multi-level sweeping is also available with the brush configuration. The large 7-inch colour monitor built into the JVM also can provide the operator with a view behind, ensuring no trails are left, and provides feedback on 4-wheel steer position, fuel and water levels. The forward-facing brush gear makes sweeping hammerheads and closed corners easy, and with the shuffle button function, reverse sweeping makes it easier still. The brush arms include forward impact shock absorbers and side impact hydraulic dampening, reducing the risk of damage. And should the operator catch a static object and overextend the brush arm, a sacrificial shear bolt will break, preventing chassis damage. A spare shear bolt is built into the sweeper arm to allow the operator to drive the sweeper back to base, reducing the need for vehicle recovery or a service response. A third brush arm is also available, allowing weed clearing, a wider swept width, or multi-level sweeping. With the quick change brush system, weed ripping, polywire or poly brushes can be fitted or changed as required. Cruise control is standard, allowing the operator to keep a constant speed regardless of terrain. The nozzle box, mounted in front of the front axle, provides the optimum swept width and reduces the risk of leaving a trail when cornering. It can be adjusted and lifted to collect bulky items. And the optional leaf flap allows the driver to collect large volumes of leaves or litter whilst maximising suction performance. The non-marking guide wheels provide the lowest replacement cost and will not mark pavements or delicate surfaces. Skids and caster wheels are also available. If a sweeper can't reach, it can't sweep. So to support the brush gear, the C202 has the best-in-class maneuverability. In 2-wheel steer, the C202 can outperform rival sweepers, even in 4-wheel steer. With the 4-wheel steer option, the C202 achieves the smallest turning circle in its class, allowing access to areas other sweepers can't reach. It tracks around tight bends and obstacles and allows easy cleaning in tight spaces, increasing the productivity of the sweeper. The compact size also allows the C202 to access car parks and under bus shelters, reducing the need for complicated suspension systems or additional vehicles, improving its usefulness in towns and cities. The C202 is fitted with industrial tubeless tyres that are wider than commercial tyres. The wider footprint offers lower floor loading, reducing the risk of damage to delicate floor surfaces. The industrial tyres are tough. Being damage and scrub resistant, they provide 3 times longer life than commercial tyres. Tubeless tyres will not deflate as fast as tubed tyres, allowing the tyres to be repaired as opposed to being replaced, saving money and reducing the need for the sweeper to be recovered. To extend the functionality and increase productivity further, the C202 offers a range of options and features. A top-mounted wander hose can be specified. The wander hose is quick to deploy and easy to stow, with no need for the operator to step up the curb or behind the sweeper, allowing litter and leaf collection up to 3.7 metres outside of the sweeper's reach. Johnston's onboard optional superwash system allows the operator to jet wash street furniture. It can be supplied with fan and pencil jets or detergent injection to assist cleaning. It can also be used to clean the sweeper after use. The hopper door is easily opened for bulky items and can remain closed if the inlet tube is blocked and the hopper has to be tipped. The C202 can also be equipped with a rear-mounted spreader and snowplough to extend the use of the sweeper in the winter months. Longer on-station time allows sweepers to do more. The balance of weight and payload is key to maximising productivity. The C202 has a big appetite, with a 1.8 cubic metre hopper volume and up to 1,750 kilogram payload. The lost water capacity combined with water recirculation and atomizer jets is large enough to last hours of sweeping whilst reducing weight, allowing more waste to be collected. The C202 pumped water recirculation system keeps the sweeper out for longer, reducing the need to refill the water tanks or carry excess water. With up to 40% lower fuel consumption than other compacts in its class, the C202 offers lower operating costs and reduces the number of times needed to refuel. The C202 offers low maintenance costs, from the durable stainless steel hopper, designed to last the life of the sweeper, to the tough, purpose-built ladder frame chassis. The C202 provides outstanding suction performance at lower revs than rival sweepers, even when using the same engine. Not only does this reduce fuel consumption, but reduces engine wear and increases the time between services. The wide access doors and high tipping height provide greater access to the engine and components. The radiator pusher fan reduces the risk of dust and dirt being dragged into the radiator when tipping. The electrical nodes, the brains of the sweeper, are protected to IP67 standard, and plastic covers provide additional protection for the electrics from jet washing. The engine cover protects the engine from debris whilst tipping and allows for easier cleaning. Steel hydraulic pipes replace flexible hoses, and the front brush arm hoses feature an easy replacement fixed pipe to reduce hydraulic chafing and reduce downtime. And disc brakes, externally mounted, need little maintenance, reducing costs further. Fault diagnosis is easy through the Johnston JVM system, without the need for additional laptops, enabling faster repairs and more uptime. All the performance data is stored in the JVM. Fault codes, operating revs, fuel consumption, operating hours and maintenance information can be viewed in the cab or downloaded to a USB stick. The same portal can also be used for software updates. Live data can be viewed through the Johnston SmartLink portal, showing operational history and faults as they happen, allowing additional support to field service teams and customers. When eventually full, the C202 is easy to empty and clean. The hopper is lifted by two powerful hydraulic rams, allowing the 1,750 kilogram load to be tipped into Eurobins or skips up to a 1,525 millimeter tipping height. The high visibility body prop automatically engages to ensure the safety of the operator, which is disengaged manually before it can be lowered. The water recirculation pump is hinged to speed up and improve cleaning, and the full-width door allows good access from both sides. The large mesh screens are dropped via a simple pin, and the stainless steel hopper has wedge wire screens, which prevent debris sticking in the first place, but also makes cleaning faster in comparison to alternative designs. The impeller fan features an inspection hatch, which can also allow access for cleaning. Whilst making a big impact on debris, the C202 makes a low impact on the environment. The low fuel consumption can reduce CO2 emissions by up to 10,000 kilograms per annum, based on 2,000 operating hours. The water recirculation reduces water use and provides a water curtain to soak dust and debris entering into the hopper. It traps particulate matter down to 2.5 microns and keeps them suspended in the hopper, removing harmful dust from the road surface and helping to improve air quality. The maximum sound power can be as low as 98 dB, allowing sweeping during unsociable hours. The people who clean our streets deserve the best sweepers they can get. By engineering the best balance between ease of operation and equipment performance, the C202 delivers the three main goals our customers require: higher productivity, lower cost of ownership, and minimal impact on the environment.